Project 3 for Practice Exam 2. This is cookie dough. You are an accountant in a factory that produces gourmet flavored cookie dough. You are tracking the amount sold each quarter and summarizing the information in a workbook. Task 1, display the cost worksheet in the page layout view. So we're on costs, go to View, Page Layout. Then insert a page break between row 20 Cracker Jack and row 21 Raspberry Chocolate. So if we select row 21 Raspberry Chocolate, go up to Page Layout, Breaks drop down, and insert page break. You can see now that Cracker Jack row 20 is the last row on that first page, and then the next one starts with it's not letting me see it, but let's see. Raspberry Chocolate is there. It's not coming into view for me though. Let's mark that as completed and move to task 2. Use a built-in Excel feature to copy all of the formatting of cell range A2 through G2 located on the profits worksheet and apply that formatting to cell A2 on the cost worksheet. I'm going to change back into my normal view. And you can actually see in my normal view for the previous question, see that darkish line on the grid lines between 20 and 21? That's telling us that there is a page break there. Alright, so we want cell range A2 through G2 on our Profits tab. So that's the profit margins per pound. This is a merged cell. I'm going to go up to my Home tab and select my Format Painter. Navigate to my Costs worksheet and apply that to cell A2. You can see it copied all of the format from the first cell into the one I applied it to. Mark as completed and move to task 3. On the profits worksheet, enter a formula in cell A29 that uses an Excel function to return the average cost of the cookie dough flavors based on values in the cost column. I'm going to go to my profits worksheet, go to cell A29. So we have average cost per flavor, and we want to use an Excel function. So we're going to use the average function. So I can do equal AV, and here we have average. We can double click that. And then we want to base this on the values in the cost column. So I'm going to scroll up, and here I have my cost column, so I can click and drag from B4 all the way down to B26. With that range selected, I can click enter, and it's telling me that the average cost per flavor is 1.73. Mark that as complete and move to task 4. On the profits worksheet, include the total profit data on the flavor, expenses, income, and profit chart. So here I'm going to select my flavor, expenses, income, and profit chart. Right now it's showing, let's see, it's showing expenses and income. So I can go up to the Chart Tools Format Contextual the Design tab and select Data. Here I can check off to include total profit and click OK. So you can see it updates now in my column chart to show all three. I'm going to mark that as completed and move to task 5. Filter the profits worksheet to display only flavors with a cost that is above average. So make sure you're on your profits worksheet. And then we want the filter drop down for cost. We can go to number filters and select above average. So you can see it has filtered only those that are above 1.73, which was our average. Mark as completed. I can go ahead and grade project number 3. I have my 5 green check marks, so I can go ahead and proceed to our next project.